to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to study about destruction of ozone layer. Let us study that how the ozone layer is depleting with our pollutants. These topics are under ICSE Standard 9 syllabus. So earlier we have discussed that these are the pollutants which are depleting and which are responsible for ozone layer depletion. These are CFCs, methyl bromide, methyl chloride, then methane, then CCl4, carbon tetrachloride and nitrous oxide. So let us take one example of CFCs, chlorofluorocarbon, and we will see that how this molecule are able to destruct the ozone layer. When this molecule will be there in atmosphere, in the stratosphere, then with the help of UV light, this molecule will decompose and this molecule will dissociate into CCl2F and Cl. So one atom of Cl, we can also say that this is a Necal Cl. So one chlorine atom is very highly reactive because it is unstable. This Cl atom will again react with atmospheric ozone. So it will decompose this molecule and it will attach with one of the oxygen of this molecule. So this will become ClO and this oxygen molecule will be separated. In turn, it will disturb the mechanism of ozone-oxygen cycle. Now again from this molecule, this ClO, this oxygen will separate from this and this chlorine will separate from this oxygen. So again this chlorine will be separated and this chlorine is efficient to break another ozone molecule, and this is how they are initiating chain reaction and they are continuously destructing and depleting ozone layer. So chlorine, bromine, nitric oxide radicals and hydroxyl radicals are capable of doing such chain reaction. So all these aerosols, all these radicals will go to stratosphere and they are showing the same mechanism how the Cl is showing. They are also breaking the ozone molecule. Now once this ozone molecule will break, then it is disturbing the cycle of ozone-oxygen cycle. And due to this type of chain reaction, these radicals are efficient enough to break over 1 lakh of ozone molecule, and this is causing a several damage in our ozone layer. Every spring we can see that ozone layer damage on the Antarctic surface. So this causing a very harmful effect on our ecosystem, because whereas the ozone layer is depleting, from there UV rays, UVA and UVB is entering into our atmosphere and it is causing a severe damage to plantation, animal and human. So what all are our efforts to reduce the ozone layer depletion and to protect ozone layer? So this is a prevention of ozone depletion. The first is use of CFCs should be replaced by alternative product, because CFCs are the major molecules which are depleting our ozone layer. So we have to use and we should initiate the use of HCFCs. So they are not causing harm to our ozone layer depletion and they are as efficient as the CFCs as a coolant. So the use of HCFCs are initiated. Then second is the manufacturer has already started manufacturing the product with the label of CFC free. So it has initiated a large amount of invention in the field of coolant. Then international treaty initiated to prevent the ozone depletion according to the Montreal Protocol. So all these are our effort to save our ozone layer, in turn to save our ecosystem. So we have learned ozone layer, what is the ozone molecule, how the ozone-oxygen cycle works and what all cause ozone layer depletion. So if you have any doubt, then comment down below, or you can write me at my email address. Don't forget to subscribe Learn Yourself for many more upcoming videos. See you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.